I have been using this product since May. This is the third month now. So I thought to bring this here. This is aloe vera gel. Guys, you guys know I do not hide update. Anything that is good to the skin, anything that is effective, that is affordable, that you can use to glow your skin, I bring it on here to tell you guys because we are one. On this channel, we don't hide update. So guys, come with me. Let me talk about the benefits of using aloe vera gel and how to incorporate this aloe vera gel into your skincare regimen to give you a glowing, supple and a beautiful skin. Guys, let's do this. Hi and welcome back to my channel. Good to have you here, guys. So today I'll be talking about the benefits of aloe vera gel and how to incorporate this gel into your skincare regimen. This gel is so good if you have acne scars, if you have pimples, especially sunburn. It is so effective. In this video I will just tell you the benefits of using aloe vera gel and why you should use it. Then I will also tell you how to incorporate it into your skincare regimen in order to achieve the benefits of this wonderful gel. So the first benefit of aloe vera is that aloe vera has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. So it means that if you have inflammatory scars on your body, if you have skin inflammation, if you have acne and breakout caused by bacteria, use this aloe vera on your skin and it will treat those post-inflammatory scars. It will treat your acne and pimples. It will also treat the breakout on your skin because it contains anti-inflammatory properties and antibacterial properties. It is so effective in treating pimples, acne scars and post-inflammatory scars on your skin. The second benefit of this aloe vera is that it lightens dark spots. If you have dark eye circle, if you have dark scars on your body, especially on your face, the aloe that is contained in this aloe vera is so good. It will help to slow down the production of melanin that causes those dark pigmentation on your skin. It will slow down the production of melanin, thereby helping to lighten your skin. So if you have dark eye circle, you have dark spot, especially after treating your pimples and you still have dark spots on your face, use this aloe vera gel. Even if you have dark spot on your body, especially on your chest and on your back, use this aloe vera gel. It will fade those dark spots on your skin and give you an even and a unified skin. Aloe vera is also good for soothing. It suits the skin. If you have redness on your skin, this aloe vera gel will soothe that irritation on your skin. It will soothe the redness on your skin. It will fade redness, especially those of us that have bleached, damaged skin as a result of using harmful chemicals, especially on our face. You notice that some persons under their eyes look so reddish, their jaw, their cheek looks so reddish. Use this aloe vera gel. It will fade that redness and give you a beautiful and a glowing skin. Guys, I have used this aloe vera gel for 3 months now, so I can say it with all amounts of sincerity that this product is very good, and it is also very affordable. This one goes for 2,700 naira. The price tag is still here. I don't know if you can see it. This is 2,700 naira. All right guys, the other benefit of this aloe vera gel is that it is so calming to the skin. Like if you have irritated skin, if you have skin irritation, this is your guy. Use aloe vera gel to calm your irritated skin. Aloe vera gel is so good. It will calm your skin. And then this aloe vera is a natural humectant. It means that it retains moisture to your skin. So aloe vera is so moisturizing, so moisturizing, especially for those that have dry skin. If you have dry skin, flaky skin, scaly skin, aloe vera should not be far from you. Go get aloe vera and apply on your face. It is so effective. It will moisturize your skin. It will give you a very soft and a supple skin because it is a natural humectant. It retains moisture to your skin. Okay, the benefits of this aloe vera is so enormous. Like, this aloe vera will just give you a soothing and a calming feeling when you use it. It will moisturize your skin. It is specially effective for those people that have dry skin because of its natural humectant effect. It will retain moisture to your skin and give you a hydrated, beautiful skin. You can use this aloe vera as a facial mask. You can use it to treat sunburn. Okay guys, that's that for the benefits of aloe vera. Now let's move on to how to incorporate aloe vera into your skincare regimen to give you a radiant and a glowing skin. All right guys, so I use this aloe vera in the morning and at night. After washing your face, allow the face to dry. You come in with your aloe vera gel. This is how it is. Let me show you. This is how your aloe vera gel is. You come in with your aloe vera gel, then you rub on the affected area. It is so cool. You rub on the affected area. Okay, rub it on the affected area because I know that especially those of us that have redness and post-inflammatory scars on our skin, rub it on the affected area, then allow it for 15 minutes. Okay, allow it for 15 minutes, then you wash it off. Please wash it off. For those of us that just want to treat dark spots and inflammatory scars on our skin, after using your aloe vera, allow it for 15 minutes on your skin. After that, wash it off. I know that 15 minutes can be like a very long time. After washing it off, then you can come in with your toner, your serum and your moisturizer. Okay, that is just a simple way to use it. Be patient with this aloe vera gel. Okay, it is very effective. However, it takes time to see results when you're using this gel, so be patient with yourself. Give it 2 to 3 weeks. You start seeing the effect of using this wonderful product. It is very effective. It is very effective. Some persons complain that it darkens their face. Yes, it darkens your face because you do not wash it off. You just apply it on your skin and move on with your life. You don't even apply your moisturizer, no serum, no sunscreen. Guys, if you use aloe vera in that way, you will not see the result. So just leave it on your skin for 15 minutes, wash it off, and then continue with the rest of your skincare regimen. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have subscribed to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do well to hit the subscribe button. Will you be using this product? Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this product. Thank you so much for watching this video and do have a fantastic time. Bye.